Now you are watching the beautiful, peaceful autumn scenery displayed before your eyes. Now start taking gentle, slow, and deep breaths as you watch the beautiful scenery. Now close your eyes and continue to breathe slow. With your eyes closed, imagine yourself strolling in the beautiful and peaceful seashore. Visualize a magnificent autumn sea spreading out before your eyes. You are feeling the salty breeze coming from the sea. Now you are feeling the sea breeze while looking at it. Your forehead is very cool, and all negative thoughts and tensions fade away. Now you feel love, gratitude flooding into your mind. Now you feel your breath becoming deeper and deeper. As your breath becomes deeper and deeper, you can feel your mind and body becoming calm and comfortable. Now you are enjoying the ocean waves lullabying you and staying there for a while. Now feel your body filled with the energy of the sea. You feel that your body is very healthy. When you open your eyes, you realize that you have a strong and healthy body, and you will do everything with a positive mindset. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.